Welcome back to Gilmour Racing. On the last episode, we had this car in a million bits and we finally got it running with its new engine, a whole bunch of new stuff. We said we're going to go testing and we've done that. We've taken both cars out and both of these cars did about 50 laps at a competitive time with no issues whatsoever. So now we're only days away from the Errol Gilmour Memorial Cup. We've got these back in the workshop, we've cleaned them up, had a good look over them, and we're just about ready to go racing. There is, however, something pretty important we need to take care of before we get to the racetrack. At the moment, we have two car number 17s and that won't work. Keep in mind, last time this car raced, that car was number 1. We no longer have that privilege this year, so Kyle's car's gone back to car number 17 and we're going to change Chris Gilmour's car back to number 3. Drivers can get pretty funny about their race numbers, and we've had drivers turn up to bring their own numbers and won't race without anything else, and that's cool, we get that. We've had a lot of success with Chris Gilmour with both number 17 and number 3. Number 17 is always our primary pick, and that's why it's on this car. But number 3 has also been a race number used by Chris Gilmour throughout his career with a great amount of success. And now that that's done, I'm going to load the truck and get out of here. We're only a couple of days away from the race meeting. As always, thank you guys for your support. If you want to follow along, head to the KCK Racing Australia Gilmour Racing Facebook page and we will post as many updates as we possibly can on how Kyle and Chris Gilmour are going in the Errol Gilmour Memorial Cup. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next video.